Hi guys, it's me Ced, and welcome back to The Basics. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to use an oil-based pomade. But before we get into the video, I'd like to thank everyone who supported me on my first video, especially Vince, Molly, Nelma, Aya, Iggy, Eric, Gail, Bea, Carmela, Kim, and my mama for sharing my video. And with that out of the way, let's get into it. Here are the things you need to prepare. Number 1. A good hairstyle starts with a good haircut. I'm currently rocking a side part cut with the top connected to my side. It's not an undercut, and I have a 3-to-1 fade for my sides and back. And I don't have a hard part, it's all natural. Now for my hair type, it's thick, dense, and straight. So your results may vary, but it's your hair and variety is what makes you unique. Number 2. A fine tooth comb with a wide and narrow end. Number 3, your hands. And number 4, your oil-based pomade. I'm using Felipe & Sons Barbers grade oil-based pomade with a hold level of 3, but this easily gets me through the day, no problem. Alright, let's begin. First, let's dampen our hair. This will add a stronger hold to your finished look and give it some extra life and sheen. Next, take your comb and your tub of pomade and gently scoop out about this much product. It's easier to measure out how much product you get with a comb. Next, emulsify the product and rub your hands like there's no tomorrow. Make sure it's warm and evenly spread out on your hands. This will help evenly distribute the pomade on your hair to avoid clumps. Now, let's apply the pomade against the grain of our hair, making sure to coat every strand down to its roots. And don't be gentle, really get in there. This will help in maintaining the integrity of your hairstyle throughout the day. Now, the sides and the back. And you can always add a little more pomade, but not too much or it'll weigh your hair down. Now, let's finish it off. Take your comb's narrow end, and I like to start with my sides, comb the hair, and follow it through with your hand. This will create those clean lines and smooth, shiny texture. Go over till you're satisfied. Remember, with hairstyle, less time and less products, the better. And there you go, those are the basics of using an oil-based pomade. Now, let's take a look at some outfits. With an oil-based pomade, you get that classic slick look, which fits my style, paired with the practicality of being able to be restyled throughout the day without losing any hold or shine. Just comb your hair and you always look fresh. And that's it everyone. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. It's Ced from The Basics. Bye.